are not allowed to cross the road. So we are supposed to wait for the green signal. Okay? So now we are waiting. Now green signal down, but red down, green signal off. So now we got the green signal. Okay. So now this one is green signal. Green signal say both are allowed to cross the road, but we supposed to verify right, left, right to verify our vehicle is stopped or not. Okay, look right. आपको दोनों को राइट में देखना है. राइट देखो. Both of you. राइट. हाँ लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट यहाँ पे. What is your name? Look right first. You also. Left. Here. Trisha here. Here. Left means here. Again right. Again right. Now look straight and cross. Look straight and cross. Start walking. इतने में सिग्नल रेड हो जाएगा.